Hi guys, we are back again with the second Sudoku in this additional of yesterday's newspaper of Thursday, December the 31st, 2020. Yes, because today there's no newspaper, and I will continue with the additional with extra Sudokus. And there are three Sudokus left. A Sudoku with 2 stars, a tectonic, and a binary. And the second Sudoku will be a number 2095. All right. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Four missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column should be the number 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these three boxes. So one box left for the 9 should be there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in this column next. So in the last column, only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see there 4, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. One box left for the 4 should be here. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So no row between. Only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4, therefore should be here. 4 in this column, the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright, and now, I cannot continue with the 4. Let me wait for more information. Yes. 1, 4, 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. Look, we have a 4 and a 5 there in this row, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 1. 7. Alright. How about Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 7 and 1. Yeah. 1, 3, 8. I'm scanning. We have a pair in this big square. We see here the 8 in this column, 8 in that column. Column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. Same story with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 2 together with the 8, we have a pair 2 and 8, and the other pair 4 and 5. Yes. So how about these 3 numbers in this big square? So we have a 2 and an 8 there, 4 and a 5. So the other 3 numbers should be the 7, the 6, 7, 6, and the 3. 7, 6, and a 3. I cannot do anything. 7, 6, and the 3. 7, 6, and a 3. 7, 6, and a 3. But we have a 7 here in this column, the last column, the 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 5 are missing. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1, 3, 8. Alright. 3, 6, and 5, 3, 6, 5. How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in the row below? Sorry, the 5 in the first row, the 5 in the third row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 1. These 3 numbers should be the 1, the 8, and the 3. 1, 8, 3, 1, 8, 3. That means that 1 number left in the second row, 1, 8, 3. This should be a 7. Alright. 6. How about the number? Yeah. 2, 7. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 4 are missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. Now I can continue with the 5, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for a 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can C, digit number 3. All right. Then. Ooh, how about the number? Let me see. Can I continue with the one? No. 836. No, 831. 831. No. No. We have a 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column. So in that column, the only place for a 6 should be here. One number left in this column for the number 7. Alright. These two numbers should be the numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2. This also 3 and 2 are missing. How about these 3 numbers in this big square? 3, 2, and the 7 is missing. Alright, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. So 3 and a 2. 3 and a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. So this should be a 3 in this big square. One number left in this column for the number 2. One number left in this big square for the number 3. One number left in this row for the number 3. One number left in this big square for the number 6. Then two numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 2. 6 and 2. We see that 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 2 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 4 white. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7, we see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. Then now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be an 8. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We see now a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 8 and the 1 are missing. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 7 are missing. The final 2 numbers, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Double check. 7 here, 7 there, 7 over here. Finish in 40 minutes. 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku. But I like this one. 2 Stars Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep puzzling. See you later with the last Sudokus. A binary one and a tectonic one are left. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.